Doing the fork seals on a 2004 CRF-250X. And we've learned a few things doing the one fork, so we're documenting the second fork. You don't have to take apart the top assembly. It tells you in the service manual to take apart this top assembly and bring the whole assembly out. If you're just changing the oil and the fork seals because you have a leak, you don't need to do that. If you want to refurbish the entire system and spread out your springs and make sure they're the right height and the right tension and the right rebound and everything, then you have to do that. But if all you're doing is changing the oil and changing your seals, do not mess with this. This is a pain in the ass.
Requires special tools.
It requires special tools, and it is a pain in the ass to get apart. So we're taking it out now. There's two 10 millimeters down here on the bottom of the triple tree, and there's two 10 millimeters up here. They're both loose, and I'm going to slide the fork out, and we're going to put it in the vise. Okay, so this is how you get the oil out without removing the top. There's a valve. There's a little valve screw, and that's what you just pump the fork, and the oil just comes right out of there till you're empty. I'll give you an exit. I'll show you there's a screw. There's a screw to change your ride from soft to hard. This is the screw. Let me see if I could focus. That's next to it. And you just, there we go. We're almost out of oil. You just take that screw out, empty the oil out. That's without removing the top. The top is still intact. We're just taking the oil out of that drain plug. Next step, we're going to remove the top. Well, that is this 21 millimeter bolt in here. And we're going to compress the fork down. Next step. So we've got the upper sleeve separated from the lower sleeve. This is the internal shaft. This is that the 21 millimeter is attached to this, and there's an aluminum. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can just barely see it. This is the 21 millimeter, and it has a little detent selector, and it goes into that aluminum piece down in there, if you can see it. And that's what clicks, that's what selects hard to soft ride. So that we just leave that in there. We don't need to take it out. We've separated them apart. Here's your lower shaft. We cleaned it up already, okay? And I'm gonna show you the parts in order. So this is your compression ring, okay? Then you have another one. This is a follower. Then you have a washer. Then you have your oil seal. Then you have your C-clamp that holds that in. That goes into the there's a ring inside the upper sleeve of the fork, and that goes in there, and that keeps this in place. And then you have your dust cover. Okay, so this goes in order. This is going to go, well, actually this goes on first. This goes on next, as you're putting them on the lower shaft for reassembly. Dust cover, oil, washer, follower, and then compression ring. Okay, and then once you have it in and you bang the oil seal into place, then you put this to keep that in the follower. I mean, to keep the oil seal in place on the upper fork. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, here's the lower part of the fork. So we have dust cover. Make sure the ribs are facing up, because they're gonna go inside the upper part, that cavity on the upper fork. Oil ring. Then you have the washer. Then you have the follower. And then here's the C-clamp. It fits right in. There's a groove right up top, just above this circle. All right, there's a hole right there. So that fits right in that groove. Everything else just rides back and forth, okay? So you have dust, oil, washer, follower, C-clamp. Now we're gonna put it back together again. You add 193 milliliters of oil. That's it, just 193 milliliters. Okay, so you use a ratchet strap. You see here? You're gonna bring the fork back down into tension. We already have the dust cover and everything is in there, sealed up. And we're bringing this is the center shaft. You see that little D-ring in there? That is the selector for the dampening. That's gonna go, where are you? This little selector right here goes into that. Just like that. And you start tightening it down. Whoops. All right, we're gonna tighten it up and then that's the end of it.